Hi everyone, welcome back to Ginatopia. Today it's my $25 Ipsy box. Let's open it up and let's see what I got. So when I open it up, the first thing you see, it says Discover You. So let's open it up and let's discover it. So let's put my old lady readers on. Let's check out the card. It says Celebrate You, March 2020. So the first thing I see in my box, and by the way, Miss Bells is sitting right here. It has a coffee scrub coconut body scrub. Am I going to use this? No. Why? Because I don't want to be cleaning coffee granules out of my bathtub. What a mess that would be. It says it turns out coffee isn't just good for a morning zing, but it is also packed with antioxidants, which are great for repairing and protecting your skin too. This coffee-infused body scrub buffs and moisturizes with grapeseed oil, almond oil, and vitamin E so your skin feels smooth, not stripped. So it sounds really, really good, but still, I stand by not having to clean my bathtub. $21.99 for that, so that's going into a giveaway. Sounds like a great product, but I'm lazy about cleaning that bathtub. The next product I see is by the Balm. This retails for $26.50. This is the Auto Balm Girl Power. What's better than one gorgeous power blush? A palette of 4. Mix and match pinky peaches, peachy browns, and deep rose shade for a glow, or amp them up with the rosy gold shade. So let's open it up and check it out. That is a really cute little tin packaging. Let's check this out. Oh, that is really, really pretty. And you all know I love blushes. Oh, and it's this thing right here. Yeah, you could take this out when you were finished with it and use your little tin. So that's really, really cute. Really like that. What you want, Bells? What you want, Miss Bells? You gonna come over here and let Mommy give you treats? Oh. Let me take my glasses off. Show you all the bells, let her do her little PSA. So if you all have not already subscribed to Mommy's channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time Mommy uploads videos, and be sure to share the love, not the hate. Yeah. Nobody gets to see how cute Bells is. Nobody gets to see the lovable side of Bells. No, they don't. All they get to see is a little monster that wants treats. Yeah, the little monster that wants treats. That's all they get to see of Bells. That's all they get to see of Bells. The treat monster. The treat monster. So the next thing I see in my box is by Malin and Goats. This product is a revitalizing eye gel which retails for $42. Seems like I've been getting a lot of eye products lately, probably because I'm getting at that age and I need them. It says the delicate eye area is the first area to show signs of aging. So true. That and this right here, the gooseneck. So give it some love with this multitasking eye gel. This lightweight texture soaks into the skin without leaving behind the annoying residue and helps soften lines, depuff bags, and soothe irritation. My bags have got so bad I could travel for a week in them. They look so bad. It says stash this in the fridge to get a great chill. I will definitely put this in my arsenal of stuff over here. Oh my gosh. The only person that's got more junk than me, I think, is Nona. Here's what it looks like, the packaging. I'm not going to open it up right now. I don't want to get another one started because I've already got about 2 or 3 started, but that is a nice product. The next thing in my box is a brush. Now, I think this was a month that they were giving an extra item, I'm thinking. But anyway. Here is the brush. Let's check out this brush. I think it was their anniversary and they were giving an extra item. Look at this nice V-shaped brush. Check that out. Check it out. It says about this brush, a complex culture precision concealer brush. This isn't your standard fluffy concealer brush. It's densely packed bristles for a full coverage feature and the angle tip for ultra precision even application under your eyes, a corner of your nose, or the corners of your face. This retails for $26, and that is a very, very nice brush. I can see getting in there, getting right there. Yeah, I can see that's a very nice brush. Very, very nice. So let's put that back in its little bag. The next product I see is by Yinsa. It is a Super 8 oil in pink. I do like lip oils. I like to use these when I'm putting on my makeup, just to pre-treat my lips. I like to use them at bedtime. So I will see getting use out of this. Here's what it looks like. I'm sure it is not that pink when you put it on. Here's what it looks like on my hand. Just kind of maybe has a fruity smell. So I will definitely get use out of that product. I'm out of lip oil right now, so I'm glad to get that. Let me grab a tissue here and get that wiped off my hand. But you can see it's very, very sheer pink. So it's not as bold as it shows in the package. And the last item I see is by Il Makiage, the Hypnose Fill and Fix Brow Shaper in Latte. Hypnose Latte 1201. Now, I don't use a lot of brow products, so this will probably go to my mom. Let me open it up and look at it. Now, this is Il Makiage. This is the mascara that I gave my mom that she absolutely loves. Oh, it's very, very blonde. Wouldn't be dark enough for my brows, but probably will work for mom's. So, and last but not least is the bag in the box, which I think the bag is really, really ugly this month. It's like a little envelope. You open it up, it's lime green. It says Unstoppable. I just think it's a very ugly bag. It says Ipsy on the back. I think that is so lackluster. So the total of my box this month was $162.49. So let's review it. The coffee scrub was $21.99. The cute little Balm blush palette was $26.50. The Malin and Goat's eye gel is $42. The eye brush is $26. Sorry about the Kleenex is flying all over the place. The lip oil is $24, and the brow shaper is $22. So $162.49 is the value of my box this month. A really good box this month. Really pleased. So if you don't know about Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly subscription box. You can get the little bag for $12 a month. I'll be uploading that video tomorrow. This is $25 a month. And they also had the big box, which is $49.99 a month, and I canceled that one because I just was getting too many boxes and just felt like I wanted to stay with the lower two boxes of Ipsy. But I'll put some information down below if you're interested in checking into Ipsy. I'll put down a code, an affiliate code if you're interested. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but I'd appreciate it if you do, if you decide to subscribe to Ipsy. Either way, it's not going to hurt my feelings. But anyway, remember to share the love, not the hate, because there's so much hate in this world. And check out Ipsy. I think you'll really enjoy getting Ipsy.